In a rain-soaked city alley, rescuers discover Myra, a stray cat with a crushed paw, trembling beneath a dumpster and shivering for warmth. They carefully cradle her, rush to a clinic, and begin a demanding journey of stabilization and pain management while a cast slowly takes shape. The vet whispers Myra's resilience shines with every purr and blink, and a volunteer sighs, "We will nurse you back to health day by day." Weeks pass as Myra learns trust, a neighbor leaves food, the team cleans her enclosure, and hopeful messages arrive from donors. Myra finally finds a loving home,